In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a color palette in Adobe Illustrator step by step. Whether you're building a brand kit, designing a logo, or just organizing your project colors, creating a proper color palette will save you time and keep your designs consistent. I'll walk you through the fastest and cleanest way to do this, using the Swatches panel. Make sure to stick around until the end, because I'll also show you how to group your colors into a reusable palette. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Illustrator tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open your Adobe Illustrator project. This can be an existing file or a brand new document. Once you're inside Illustrator, go to the top menu and click on Window, then choose Swatches. This will open the Swatches panel if it's not already visible. The Swatches panel is where all your saved colors live, and this is where we'll be building your custom palette. Next, create or select objects that contain the colors you want in your palette. For example, you can draw a few rectangles and fill each one with a different color. These could be brand colors, colors from an illustration, or any combination you're working with. The key is to make sure the colors you want saved are actually applied to objects in your document. Once you have all your colored objects ready, select all of them. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor over them, or by holding Shift and selecting them individually. Make sure every object with the color you want included is selected before moving to the next step. Now, go to the Swatches panel. In the top right corner of the panel, you'll see a small menu icon with 3 lines. Click on that to open the panel menu. From the drop-down options, choose Add Selected Colors. As soon as you click this, Illustrator will automatically generate swatches based on the colors used in the objects you selected. You'll now see those colors appear inside your Swatches panel as individual swatches. At this point, your colors are saved, but they're not yet organized into a proper color group. This next step is optional, but I highly recommend it to keep your workflow clean and professional. In the Swatches panel, select the new swatches you just created. You can click on one, then hold Shift and click the others to select them all. Once they're highlighted, click on the new color group icon at the bottom of the Swatches panel. It looks like a small folder. Alternatively, you can open the Swatches panel menu again and choose New Color Group from there. A dialog box will appear asking you to name your color group. This is where you can give your palette a clear and recognizable name, such as Brand Colors, Website Palette, Client Project 2026, or anything that matches your project. Naming your palette properly is especially helpful if you work on multiple projects or share files with clients or team members. After naming it, click OK. Illustrator will now group those selected swatches into a clean, organized color folder inside your Swatches panel. You can expand or collapse this folder anytime, and all your palette colors will stay neatly together. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom color palette in Adobe Illustrator. Now you can quickly apply these colors to new shapes, typography, logos, or illustrations without manually recreating them each time. This not only speeds up your workflow, but also ensures color consistency across your entire design. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Adobe Illustrator tips and design tutorials. Let me know in the comments what you're designing, and I'll see you in the next video.